Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we have a 2024 BMW X5, and this X5 is getting a full front plus, I'm gonna call it, of Autobahn Incognito lifetime warranty film. So we're gonna do the hood, the front bumper, the fenders, the mirrors, but we're gonna add the rocker panel. It's kind of part of our track pack, but minus the surround around the windshield. So as we get started, you'll see we've already removed the BMW logo in the front here, and we do that to get this extra dirt out of this recessed area. We've already prepped the edges with a product called Acrosol, and that's gonna keep the film sticking and laying down. We're gonna wrap all of these edges here. We're gonna wrap it into the fender and into the wheel well, you name it, but it's pretty exciting. Come check it out. All right, just like always, we're gonna start with American Detailer Garage F-Bomb, and this is our multi-purpose cleaner and our battery-powered sprayer. I love this whether or not we're prepping for PPF, or, I mean, you name it, I love it. But this is gonna get in all those crevices, which is gonna help us dislodge any remaining dirt after we're done washing.